Alright guys, good evening from Kings Island for Halloween Haunts opening weekend. As you can tell, it's a little wet. We are here waiting for attractions to open, because if you look this way, there's a storm back there. We're just waiting for rides to open. They are actually testing Drop Tower right now, and we will let you guys know our full thoughts on the mazes that we go through and our thoughts about everything at Halloween Haunt at Kings Island. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check something out and get scared. And our first ride of the night is the very highly underrated Bat. Let's go take a ride on it, considering it highly underrated at this park. Alright guys, so if you can't tell how wet it is, I'm wearing gray pants and they're like black and my shirt is soaked. So yeah, that's how bad it was just raining.
All clear. And all clear means you guys are up and out here. I'm going to take a ride here at the Bat. This is the first ride of the day. One.
Alright guys, so we just got off the Bat and I lost my hat. Don't take hats on rides. We are now going to Wolfpack in the old Sunapee station. Alright guys, so we just did Wolfpack, and I really think that should be one of the outdoor mazes that needs to be open at like 8, because you see way too much in the daytime through that maze. Like, it was, on a scale of 10, I'd probably have to put that at like a 3. So yeah, we're going to get food now. New for Haunt and Winterfest for the 2018 is Hank's Mac and Cheese Bar. You can go on the left side for Hank's Mac and Cheese or the right side for Hank's Burritos. Let's go get some. All new for Haunt this year is the Coney Mall, which is right along Coney Mall. Let's go check it out. Seems they've been using props from old haunt mazes in Coney Mall. Ooh, and they have lights that light up and change colors. That's kind of cool. The only new maze for 2018 is Chaos, which it's like, from what I'm told, you like take this hallucinating drug, and then you're supposed to fall asleep and go into space, but you don't fall asleep, so you hallucinate a lot. So yeah, this will be interesting. This is actually right back by Firehawk and Flight of Fear. I guess some aliens have snuck out. Alright guys, so we just got out of the all-new Chaos, and I will say the set and the theming was very, very well done. The people in the maze, that was the interesting part. I didn't really get that scared. I didn't feel that amused either. But yeah, the theming and set is pretty good. I think they did more attention to the detail instead of the monsters. So we're gonna go ride Flight of Fear. And we ended up not going through and riding Flight of Fear, as it had a pretty lengthy line. So instead, let's take a look at the antique cars. Alright guys, so we just got out of Killmart, and that was actually pretty good. It's themed to a department store that's gone mad with zombies, and that was actually pretty good. The set was good. The characters were actually pretty good in that one. I think that was the best house so far that we've done, and we're actually going to Field of Screams now.
It's like right to the front again.
Alright guys, so we just did Field of Screams, and that was really good. If you like Hornstalkers at Cedar Point, it's just like that. It's big, it's out in the middle of nowhere, and yeah, the whole set was good, the theming was good, and the actors were good. I'd probably have to say that might be one of the best spaces here. We're about to go do Urgent Scare. Well, I guess we're not going to go through Urgent Scare, as when we got over there, we were redirected the other way, and it's closed. One of the new scare zones for 2018 at Kings Island is Pumpkin Eater. As you can tell by the screaming, let's go through.
No, you're gonna do it. I'm not dumb.
Alright guys, so we just got out of Slaughterhouse, and that was, I don't know if I would say that's better than Cedar Points, but that probably is the best space here. You know, everything's done great. Theming, the set, the people, it's really great. We're going to go through Madame Patel's Cavern of Terror. It seems the electric chair guy has been moved to Rivertown. So this is not really a night for haunted houses. They just closed Madame Patel's as well. So we're going to go find something else. The air is eerily calm as we make final preparations for the ill-fated demise of one of our own. Rest in peace, 10/28/2018. What could be leaving Kings Island? We'll find out on the closing day of Haunt. And it's time for another maze, Backwoods Bayou. First time going through it, let's go. Alright guys, so we just got doing Backwoods Bayou, and that's just like Blood on the Bayou at Cedar Point. Not really that good, and that's honest opinion from us. It wasn't really that good. Yeah, we're just gonna leave it at that. Well guys, that is going to end our first night at Kings Island for Halloween Haunt, and we will be back tomorrow night. And good evening, guys, from Kings Island for haunt night number 2. It is a little rainy and wet, and hopefully the rain clears and we can have a good time tonight. And we have made it past security and waiting to go into the gates of the underworld. And we have made it through the gates and are ready for haunt. And as soon as we got through the gates, the sun came out. But not in time. It's about to set. And darkness is about to play. And our first house of the night is Divergence Scare, back where the old dinosaurs movie used to be. And the SpongeBob 4D ride. Go take a spin through it. Alright guys, so we just got out of Divergence Scare and that was alright. Ended up being the first group that I went through, ended up being the last of the group that went on before me. So that was pretty good. So set and everything was pretty good. The characters were alright. So yeah, that was Divergence Scare. And with the addition of Coney Mall and Carnival replaced, there's really nothing over in Freak Street anymore. Not even any roamers. And with that, guys, our second night of Haunt is wrapped up a little early, mainly because of crowds. But yeah, we had a great time tonight, even though we did one haunted house. Scares, everything, as you can tell earlier in the video. We're doing pretty good. Definitely better than last night. The park is a little caked in fog, which is a lot better than last night. And everything seems to be going better. So as always, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Follow us on social media for anything new amusement park related at Coaster Map Productions on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And we will see you guys out on the hills.